Hi, I'm Miss Shelley, and welcome to my science show. In our episode on parents and offspring, we learned that parents will create a shelter for their offspring until they're ready to go out on their own. Well, today we're going to create our very own bird's nest using clay, grass clippings or twigs, and a golf ball or something to represent an egg.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Typically, when a parent bird is creating a nest, they will weave together materials like grass, use mud, their own saliva, or spider webs to strengthen the nest. Well, today we're going to use clay to strengthen our nest. The general shape of a bird's nest is like a little bowl. So first, I'm going to take my clay and kind of shape it the way I want to shape it. From there, I'm going to start adding my organic material that I grabbed from outside. I just went outside and grabbed some handfuls of grass. You might notice while you're doing this how difficult it can be to get your grass to stick together and stay in one place. It takes a lot of work for a parent bird to create a nest for their offspring. Once you feel like your nest is finished, it's time to test it. I'm going to use a golf ball to represent an egg. I'm going to take the golf ball, put it into the nest, and see if it can keep it from rolling away. It worked! I noticed while building my nest just how much effort it took to create it. Parents really put a lot of effort into caring for their offsprings. Why don't you try making your own bird's nest, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.